The Levoit Core 600S is a breath of fresh air, no pun intended, when talking about the large air purifiers that Levoit offers. It's suitable for rooms of up to 635 square feet, has plenty of smart options, uses 3-stage filtration, and is an air purifier of which we have huge expectations. Keep watching and find out how good it was in our tests, whether it's worth buying, and if not, what are the alternatives. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Before starting the Core 600S for the first time, you must complete a few preparation steps. First, unpack the device from the shipping package and peel off all the strips and protecting foils from the device. After that, you have to unscrew the upper part counterclockwise and separate it from the bottom. Then, pull out the filter from the bottom part, remove it from the plastic wrap, and put it back into the device. Immediately after, close up the device as it was in the beginning. Finally, place the air purifier in the desired location, plug it in, and turn it on. The first thing you'll notice regarding the design is that the Core 600S is much bigger than initially thought. But the good thing is that it's not too heavy and has carrying handles on the sides for easier moving between rooms. The Levoit Core 600S air purifier is available in a few different colors, so you can easily combine it with your environment. We don't like its very bright control panel and poorly visible controls. The control panel consists of touch buttons and LED indicators. Here you can find touch buttons for power, display lock, display off, auto mode, fan speed, sleep mode, filter reset, and timer. It also has an air quality indicator, filter reset indicator, Wi-Fi indicator, display lock indicator, and PM 2.5 timer display. Overall, it looks pretty modern. The Levoit Core 600S is rectangular in shape, with slightly rounded edges. It consists of two parts, the lower part, where the filter and air inlets are, and the upper part, where the motor is and where the filtered air exits. As we've already said, this air purifier has plenty of features, and it's one of the smartest air purifiers we have tested so far. It has an AirSight Plus laser particle sensor, which detects PM 2.5 fine particles in real time. This sensor works in combination with air quality indicators located on the top of the device, which show the current air quality based on the data from the AirSight Plus sensor. There's an air quality ring that will light up in different colors based on the current air quality. Additionally, deeper air quality reports are available on the VeSync Smart App. Other features available are auto mode, which changes fan speed based on the current air quality, the sleep mode, light sensor, timer, display off and lock, and filter reset indicator. For a detailed explanation of all the features, please visit airpurifierfirst.com. We have repeatedly explained the VeSync app, as we have reviewed several smart air purifiers from Levoit in the past. Basically, it's a fantastic app through which you can remotely control the Core 600S and check some info and features that are only available via the app. You can also check the current air quality, check air quality historical data, control the working modes, and all the other options. You can also activate scenes, check filter wear and tear, and much more. Find a detailed explanation of the VeSync app at airpurifierfirst.com. As we said in the intro, the Levoit Core 600S covers rooms of up to 635 square feet. In a room of the mentioned size, it will clean the air 4.8 times in 1 hour, which is industry standard, and it's our recommendation to use the device in the recommended room sizes. But you can use the Core 600S in larger rooms. For example, in a room of 1,588 square feet, it'll clean the air 2 times in 1 hour, which is okay if the air isn't too polluted. Filtration technology is essential in an air purifier, and Levoit proved their filtration technology many times in many tests. The Core 600S uses a 3-stage filtration technology consisting of a pre-filter, a true HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. The pre-filter is the first stage of filtration, and its purpose is to trap large particles such as dust, lint, fibers, hair, and pet fur, and in that way prolong the HEPA filter's life. The true HEPA filter is the second and the most crucial filtration stage. It captures 99.97% of airborne particles of up to 0.3 microns in size, such as fine dust, smoke particles, and allergens such as pollen and pet dander. The pellet-based activated carbon filter is the last line of defense and will physically absorb smoke, odors, and fumes. The Levoit Core 600S is CARB certified, doesn't produce ozone, and is 100% safe. Overall, this air purifier uses a highly efficient filter that performed amazingly in all the tests. You can find more information on filtration at airpurifierfirst.com. As the Core 600S doesn't use washable filters, you have to replace them from time to time. That period is usually between 6 and 12 months. And the good thing is that this air purifier has a filter reset indicator, so you don't need to track when it's time to replace the filter. Except for regular filter replacement, we suggest cleaning the pre-filter with a vacuum or dry cloth at least once every month. The filter replacement process is straightforward. First, unplug the device, unscrew the top part, and pull out the dirty filter. Next, it would be a good idea to vacuum inside the air purifier for any remaining dust. Then, prepare a new filter, place it into the air purifier, and put back the top part. Finally, reset the filter reset indicator by holding your finger on the filter reset button for 3 seconds. Before even reviewing the Core 600S, we read many comments on the internet where people complained about this air purifier's noise levels. We must say that they aren't entirely correct, and even though it works a bit louder than the competition at some speeds, it has many different fan speeds to choose from, so you can quickly adapt it to your preference. The most surprising level is the sleep mode, where this model produces a sound of 43.9 dBA, and the turbo mode, on which it's also a bit louder than expected. On the low mode, the Core 600S produces a sound of 46.8 dBA. On the medium mode, a sound of 51.2 dBA. On the high mode, it produces 58.7 dBA. And on the turbo mode, it produces a sound of 68.5 dBA. Overall, the Levoit Core 600S is not too loud, but we definitely wouldn't recommend it for rooms such as bedrooms, especially since there are many other quieter air purifiers to choose from. We were amazed that the Core 600S uses a motor of just 49 watts. It's unbelievable that such a powerful device has such low power. On turbo mode, it uses only 48.2 watts. So, if you used it on the turbo mode 24 hours daily for 1 month, your electrical bill would be increased by just $4.20, which isn't a significant expense considering the device's power. Besides the electrical power costs, there's filter replacement costs, which luckily doesn't have to be replaced very often. Considering the power usage and the replacement filter price, we concluded that the Levoit Core 600S is one of the most affordable air purifiers in this class we have tested so far. The Levoit Core 600S is currently the biggest air purifier in Levoit's Core series. It covers rooms of up to 635 square feet. According to that, we tested it in suitable room sizes. In the first test, in a room of 560 square feet, the Levoit Core 600S worked on the turbo mode for 60 minutes and improved the air quality by an incredible 96%. In the second test, this time in a slightly larger room of 730 square feet, it improved the air quality by about 93% in similar conditions. These are incredible results and confirmation that this is one of the most efficient air purifiers available on the market. In the following seconds, you'll find out how fast the Core 600S is in cleaning all the smoke from the smoke box. To summarize, we're delighted with the Levoit Core 600S air purifier. It had outstanding performances, is affordable for maintenance, has many smart options, uses a true HEPA filter, and is our absolute best buy recommendation, especially if you're looking for an air purifier for large rooms. It's also great for removing dust, wildfire smoke, and fighting allergens. Additionally, the Core 600S performed well in the kitchen tests. The only complaint about this air purifier is its noise levels on sleep mode and turbo mode. It would be great if it were a bit quieter. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment below the video. Check out the detailed review at airpurifierfirst.com. All links can be found in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and click subscribe. That's it for now.